There are so many AI chatbots out there, but what makes each one different? In this video we break down every major AI chatbot. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot made by OpenAI that can help with many tasks like writing, answering questions, coding, and learning. It talks in a natural, human-like way, so chatting with it feels like talking to a real person. For example, you can ask it to explain a topic like, what is gravity, and it will break it down in a simple way. Over time, it has improved to better understand conversations, give clearer answers, and help people like students, workers, and content creators with different kinds of tasks. Claude. Claude is an AI chatbot made to give clear, careful, and well-structured answers. It is especially good at understanding long texts, summarizing information, and explaining complex ideas in a simple way. Its responses usually feel thoughtful and organized rather than quick or casual. For example, you can give it a long article or document and ask, "Can you summarize this?" and it will break it down into the main points so it's easier to understand. Google Gemini. Google Gemini is an AI chatbot made by Google that works closely with Google apps and services. It can chat with you, but it's also designed to help with searching information, planning tasks, and working more easily across tools like Google Docs, Gmail, and others. For example, you can ask it, plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo, and it can suggest an itinerary, places to visit, and even use real-time info like flights or maps. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI chatbot built by Microsoft that is built into apps like Word, Excel, and the Edge browser. It helps you do work faster by assisting with writing, organizing information, analyzing data, and summarizing content directly inside those apps. Its biggest advantage is that it works inside tools people already use for school or office work, so you don't need to switch between different apps. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is an AI chatbot that answers questions by looking up real-time information from the internet. Instead of only relying on what it already knows, it searches the web, summarizes the results, and shows sources so you can see where the information came from. It is often used like a mix between a search engine and a chatbot, especially when people want up-to-date or fact-checked answers. For example, you can ask, "What are the latest AI trends in 2026?" and it will pull recent information from the web, summarize it, and include links or sources so you can verify the details yourself. Grok. Grok is an AI chatbot developed to give quick, direct, and conversational answers. It is designed to feel more casual and less formal, and it focuses on real-time information and current events. One key feature is that it is connected to X, formerly Twitter, which allows it to pull in and reflect what people are currently discussing online. This makes it especially useful for following trending topics and live conversations. For example, you can ask, "What are people saying about the latest iPhone release on X?" and it can summarize current posts and reactions. And that is every major AI chatbot. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe so you do not miss the next one.